एवरीवन वेलकम टू द न्यू वीडियो। और आज फिर स्टेला मेरे साथ है और क्रिस भाई अपने तो अभी हम आए हैं चाइना की एसईजी मार्केट, यानी चाइना का गफ्फार मार्केट। आपने वीडियो पहले बहुत देखे होंगे, लेकिन आज स्टेला मेरे को कुछ अलग चीज़ें दिखाने वाली है। यहाँ पे अड्डा है, हर चीज़ का अड्डा है। ये कुछ भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ले लो, सस्ते सस्ता महंगे से महंगा। देखते हैं, मुझे आज एक आईफोन भी लेना है, मिल जाए तो। वैसे तो ये मार्केट
There has more than 20,000 stores like this.
Really?
Factories, yes.
Here?
In this
No,
area.
factory or stores?
Every factory they want to set a store in this booth.
So they have their booth kind of.
More than 20,000,
Wow.
and it includes 35 industries.
30
Like, for example,
different
Yeah,
like mobile phones,
Mobile phones, one industry.
telecommunication, many.
Many, yeah.
ओ भाई साहब, तो वैसे तो आपने मार्केट कई बार देखी होगी, लेकिन आज मेरे साथ एक एक्सपर्ट हैं। स्टेला इज द बिजनेस एक्सपर्ट और शी इज गोइंग टू शो मी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स हियर टुडे। तो अभी वैसे मुझे भी थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग वगैरह करनी है यहाँ पे।
20 years ago, those boss, they don't know English, they don't know how to speak English, they don't know how to communicate with foreigners. But they have a booth here, so that they were rich like hell. So the most expensive house in Shenzhen was purchased by these people who opened a booth here 20 years ago in Shenzhen.
Really?
Yeah.
But when they speak no English, still
They
they
don't need to speak English.
still they can sell.
Yeah. They just need to set a booth, and the foreigner buyers would directly buy containers, big container.
But you know one very interesting fact, I don't know how, but India also have a big market like this. It's not that clean, but it's very big. It's there are 2-3 markets like Nehru Place, and one is in New Delhi. Nehru Place, and the name of the market is Nehru Place, and one more like Gafar Market, and they say it is Asia's biggest electronics market. I don't know how. SE is also very big, but Nehru Place they say is Asia's biggest. How it can be possible? ये अड्डा है तो नेहरू प्लेस को कैसे बिगेस्ट बताते हैं? तो देखते हैं आज हमें क्या क्या आइटम मिलेंगे यहाँ पे। और
Do you know Pinduoduo?
Yes.
So Huaqiang North Station now, they are not like as rich as 20 years ago.
Okay.
So they supply their goods to Pinduoduo because India made in India rice.
Yes.
Right? Made in India is also strong now, and
Yes.
made in Vietnam.
Vietnam is also increasing. Yes.
So,
Competition.
Yeah, so the import and export business is no longer
Not longer that high as before.
that high here. So
Yeah.
they supply it to Pinduoduo.
But Pinduoduo they cannot earn many profit. It's very less profit.
Yeah.
Pinduoduo मतलब यहाँ की ग्रुप बाइंग कंपनी है एक, अगर किसी को ना पता हो तो
This is how they survive.
this is
now.
how they survive. Yes. अब भाई पिंदुओदुओ एक ग्रुप बाइंग कंपनी है। जैसे मान लो आप एक फ़ोन या टी शर्ट कुछ भी खरीद रहे हो तो उसमें ऑफर आते हैं, जैसे अगर 5 लोग मिलकर खरीदेंगे तो इतना प्राइस में मिल जाएगा। तो जनरली ग्रुप्स ऑनलाइन बन जाते हैं, या हो सकता है 3-4 दिन बाद, हफ्ते भर बाद बन जाए। तो आज देखते हैं, मुझे भी अभी कुछ खरीदना है। मुझे एक आईफोन देखना है कितने प्राइस में मिल सकता है। अगर सस्ता यूज सेकेंड हैंड भी सस्ता मिल गया तो मैं ले लूँगा। और मेरे को एक माइक लेना है, जैसे ये स्टेला का माइक है, ऐसा ही मुझे एक माइक लेना है।
40 years ago, Shenzhen is a village.
Okay.
It's not even called Shenzhen. It's called Bao'an
बावन।
County.
Okay.
And the Bao'anese only 300,000 people.
Okay, 300,000.
Population.
3 लाख
citizen,
लोग। Okay.
citizen. Okay. So that time, it was called Bao'anese.
Bawanese. Okay.
Yes. After the revolution of China opened the door.
Liberation.
So, yeah,
Okay.
the liberation.
Liberation, huh?
Yeah, so the Shenzhen rice now 20 million people citizens in Shenzhen.
2
20
करोड़।
million.
Oh, it's equivalent to New Delhi, not equivalent, but
Yeah, so
still.
40 years ago, Chinese bank, people don't use bank, people use cash.
Yes.
Yeah, when we have money, we have enough money, and we have ability to build a bank, to build a credit card. Then Alipay rise.
It's
So
all
we jump.
We jump. Yes.
Yeah,
So
so
card
Alipay-
skipped.
Yeah, card skip. We are not like India.
Like-
India use
We use card. Europe will use most of the
step
cards.
by step. But
Yes.
we just
जंप। सो भाई यहाँ पे मेरे को एक प्रॉब्लम बहुत बड़ा आ रहा है, मैं कहीं पेमेंट के लिए कार्ड को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करता। हर बार बैंक जाओ, कैश निकालो, पे करो। हर जगह अली पे या वीचैट पे इस्तेमाल होता है। तो
so
इसका
there's a saying very interesting is that in Shenzhen there's no fifth.
देयर इज नो फेथ।
thief, like stole your
Theft.
wallet.
Ah.
Because you don't have wallet.
No
we
cash,
don't
no
have
card,
wallet.
nothing.
We just have a phone and you need the password.
It's the same thing like in India. Many people have mobile phone, but they don't know how to use computer. Still, old generation, but they can use WhatsApp and phone because we skipped the computer. Mobile came and computer skipped. तो यहाँ पे इनका बैंक skip, कार्ड सिस्टम skip हुआ है. हाँ. फिर भी अपने इंडिया में काफी कार्ड इस्तेमाल होता है. तो this is a complex. This is one of the complex, right?
This is like a real world Amazon.
What?
Real world Amazon.
Why?
Offline Amazon. Because you can find a lot of things on Amazon, right?
But here only electronics.
Yeah, but yeah, here is only electronics. Because electronics has value. And in Shenzhen, everything is very expensive.
Yes.
They just created something in value, then they can make a profit.
Yes.
If they make like furnitures, if they like make
Furniture,
furnitures
okay.
or clothes,
Huh?
the value is very small.
Yes,
It's
yes.
very cheap. So Shenzhen cannot afford that.
So they make electronics.
Yeah, electronics, expensive things.
And clothes they make in Guangzhou.
And clothes now, Guangzhou and Fujian.
Putian.
Yeah, now immediately move to Indonesia, made in Indonesia, made in
Bangladesh.
Thailand. Yeah, made in India and made in Vietnam.
In clothes, Bangladesh is the biggest now.
Bangladesh, yeah,
Yes.
Bangladesh.
So भाई साहब ये यहाँ पे बैंड बाजे के प्रोडक्ट हैं और हाँ फ्लाई कैम. तो यहाँ पे स्टेलर ने बताया ये अमेजोन है, यहाँ पे साला हर चीज़ कम दाम पे मिल जाएगी. और शेंजन में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स क्यों है? क्योंकि स्टेलर ने बताया शेंजन महंगा शहर है और कपड़े वपड़े अगर बनाएंगे तो अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि कीमत नहीं है. कीमत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक की ज़्यादा है. वाह कुछ बेच रहे हैं, हर कोई कुछ बेच रहा है, कोई कुछ बेच रहा है.
Do you have kids at home?
KFC? Kids?
This is camera for kids. For kids.
But
for children.
I don't have any. It can work? No.
Yeah, it can work. See?
It can click photo.
Yeah.
And how much is it for? बच्चों का
It's
कैमरा.
like less. I know the price. The price is less than 40 yuan.
But they will sell maybe 100.
400 rupees less.
400 रुपए का. But can you show me the photo?
The
Can it click
photo
photo?
is very clear. 哎，帮我弄一下这个。
And how much he's selling it for? Maybe he's selling it for 100 yuan.
For
He.
I will
Retail.
not tell you the price.
Yes.
I know you make a video, but I know. If you like,
But still the quality is good for kids.
it's good for kids.
बच्चों के मतलब की तगड़ी क्वालिटी है भाई. Can you check the
No,
price?
we cannot make a video for this. It's advertisement. You should charge. Advertisement. You should charge.
No, but
money.
there is no brand name.
Okay, it's good.
But how much is? Can you ask the
这个多少
price?
钱一个 He says 70.
70, but still good.
Yes, still good.
800 रुपए में बच्चों के लिए कैमरा मिल रहा है यार. और क्या चाहिए? मेरा कोई घर में छोटा भाई बहन है नहीं तो मैं ले लेता.
This has many colors.
Wow, see? कुछ भी बिक रहा है भाई. जो मर्जी बना दो. They can make anything, I think. They can make anything cheap. If you are going to sell this camera in India, at least 2,000. At least 2,000.
Wow.
At least, and that is also wholesale price. See, Insta360, you know, this camera is getting a lot of attention these days. Insta360. This is a very good
你
action
们
camera.
有那个收音的东西吗？就是麦克风啊。Oh, they have microphone.
But not this one. Maybe they have more expensive. Let's see.
Let's see.
By you know, this camera is getting a lot of attention these days. This Insta360.
Yeah, I know. It's like copy of the
GoPro.
yeah.
Then DJI.
Yeah, DJI.
Not copy. Insta360 is also very famous company.
This is very expensive. 有没有稍微便宜点的那个？
This is very expensive, man. But this
Oh,
also
this is
DJI.
DJI.
But this also works with mobile phone. Can you check?
This is work for your mobile phone.
Not with mobile phone.
With mobile phone also.
This also.
Sure.
And this also. But how much? DJI का माइक इसने बताया हमको 26 या 27 हज़ार रुपए का, 28 हज़ार रुपए का, और ये स्टेला ने 1,000 रुपए में ले लिया.
Do you need a tiny phone?
Show me.
Very cute.
It works.
You can call.
Really?
Tiny phone.
But very sim.
2G.
We can put SIM card also.
Yeah, 2G.
No.
It's so cute. I like this one. I want to buy one
Show
for
me.
my daughter.
भाई साहब चाइना के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मार्केट में मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट देखा भी पगला जाओगे. Can you show me?
You can make a phone
Can you
call.
please show me? ओह ये है भाई वो चीज. क्या है ये? छोटा सा फोन
So have this.
और 2G है, इसमें सिम कार्ड इंसर्ट करके आप कॉल कर सकते हो. देखो कितना छोटा है ये. How much? How much? How much?
It's 99. We can still.
1100 रुपए का. But if you buy from factory, maybe you can get for 20 yuan.
Yeah.
But how to get a 2G SIM card? You cannot get 2G SIM card these days.
You can get it from the operator.
Operator 2G.
2G. SIM card.
But who buy this?
Indian people like this.
Diwali.
For party.
For Diwali.
Yeah, for party. I see a lot of movie they have.
In movie party, yes, we
Yeah.
like lights. We like lights. Wow. These are bags, right? ये बैग आपने बहुत सारे वीडियो में देखे होंगे पहले भी. Wow. This bag looks so good.
It's like when you like go hiking.
Yes, someone is watching. Wow. See this bag. Everything we can find here.
Everything.
सब कुछ है भाई, सब कुछ है. तो यार अब हम दूसरी मार्केट में आए हैं और ये रिपेयरिंग का अड्डा है. यहाँ पे हर चीज रिपेयर हो जाएगी. रोलेक्स का डुप्लीकेट भाई. हाउ मच ही चार्ज फॉर रोलेक्स? I like this one. This one looks so good. Right?
Black one.
Black one, yes.
Black one.
Yes.
可以看一下这个吗？黑色的这个。
8,000
8,000.
Rupee. 1,000 yuan.
rupee.
这个对对对。
11,000 रुपए की रोलेक्स वॉच है, डुप्लीकेट वाली. मतलब डुप्लीकेट जैसी है, पता नहीं ओरिजिनल है डुप्लीकेट है. वाओ. This looks beautiful, man. How much is it for?
1300。
Keep it.
1300。
Thank you.
这个机芯是
15,000 रुपए की वॉच है भाई. Let's see where we can find iPhone covers. I see they have crazy variety of iPhone cover. I saw in one video they have like crazy variety of covers. And they sell very expensive here. They sell very expensive here.
Expensive?
I heard
How much
that.
here?
Yes, I heard. I'm not sure.
How much in India? Like what?
Depends on if the cover is good quality. In India, they can sell you maybe for 100 RMB, 200 RMB.
200 RMB.
100. Yes, because they say it's
100
iPhone.
rupee.
No, RMB.
100.
100, 200. Because
cover?
yes, because they say it's iPhone cover.
Seriously.
Maybe it can be 300 RMB, 400 RMB.
Here in China, you can spend 20 yuan.
20
20 rupee. 20 rupee.
20 rupee, 2 yuan.
One.
2 yuan.
2 yuan.
2 yuan. 20 रुपए में कवर. वाह. 25 रुपए.
If you buy from
This is temper glass. This is covers.
so many covers.
那我们就去那边4楼吧。
कवर के अड्डे पे जाने वाले हैं. एक कवर ही कवर होंगे वहाँ पे हर तरह के. वाह. See, there's so many types of tripods.
这里有很多拍摄。
There are many type of
跟
tripods.
你差不多的吗
This is same type.
Similar.
Let's check the price because I got it India. I
这个多少
can.
钱啊，老板？
这个要多少一个吗
如果100个呢
？100个，
देखते हैं कितना कीमत में
100个
बताएंगे.
这一款是42。
42 42
No, the same price in get in India. तो एक चीज अब इस तरह ने मेरे को बताई
100多平洋
that अगर आपको चाइना में अपना बच्चा बढ़िया स्कूल में पढ़ाना है तो आपको एक प्रॉपर्टी होनी जरूरी है और उसकी इतनी कीमत होनी चाहिए. So they also say that your property should be more expensive than this price to get into that school, or you can have any property.
You can have the residential because in
Anywhere,
China,
anywhere.
In China, there's a lot of residential apartment.
Yes.
Sometimes one kind is like you can own this apartment for 40 years.
Okay, like lease.
Lease.
You can lease,
Yeah.
yes.
I know in India it's 999 years
No, it's just yours.
permanent.
Yes, permanent.
But in China, you need to buy
40 years, 50 years.
yeah, you need to buy a house that you can own it 70 years.
Yes, I know, 70 years of
70
lease,
years.
yes.
Yeah, so you need to buy that house only. If you rent a house, you rent an
Means-
apartment, you buy some like 40 or 50. No,
So,
you need to buy a.
but that should not be expensive or cheap. That you just need a 70 years lease house. So, चाइना में अगर आपको अपना बच्चा अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ाना है तो 70 साल की लीज की प्रॉपर्टी आपको लेनी ही पड़ेगी, लीज करानी पड़ेगी, नहीं तो आप अच्छे स्कूल में नहीं डाल सकते. सरकार एक अब क्यों रखी है सरकार मुझे नहीं पता. But
So that primary school, they only accept the residential apartments citizen. That means the owner
Okay.
from the residential
from the residential.
residential apartment. They only accept.
Okay, tell me one thing. If I own a residential property for 70 years and I give it for rent to someone else,
No, the renter has no right. You need
I have to
show-
live in there.
You have to show that show that you own this house.
No,
not
no,
rent.
no. I own this house, but I give on rent to you.
No,
But I own this house,
No.
and you are living there.
because we have a certification on your property right. The property right only write your name. Like I buy a house, and I have a certification.
No, no, no. I'm saying you buy a house, but you give to rent to someone to earn money from the rent. But still, the house is yours.
Yes.
So then your child can go to school,
Yeah, my child can also go to school.
but you rent this to someone else. It's okay.
It's okay.
हाँ, आप देख रहे हो ये जो स्टेल ने बताया जो पीछे बिल्डिंग है ना मेरे, इसका अगर आप 100 मीटर स्क्वायर का एक अपार्टमेंट लेते हो, 100 मीटर स्क्वायर इज अ बिग एरिया एक्चुअली.
100 square meter.
100 स्क्वायर मीटर इज अ बिग एरिया.
3 rooms.
3 रूम अपार्टमेंट यहाँ पे लगभग 11 करोड़ रुपए का है. 10 million RMB. वाह, क्रेजी. Internet celebrity recommended area.
Yeah,
What is this?
Let's go to check the cover first.
It says internet celebrity recommended area. What is this?
This means YouTuber, TikToker.
They can make video.
They have so many fans.
Talker.
In China, the net means internet.
Yes, I know. Celebrity, I know.
Celebrity is not a celebrity. It's not what celebrity means.
It's a TikTok.
It means famous
Yes, I know.
on internet. So
Recommended area. They say to come here and buy from here.
yeah,
So why they mention like this?
they recommend
Recommend, okay.
online to their fans.
I can go. I don't recommend
You
this.
can enter internet.
I don't recommend this. मजाक कर
More
रहा.
subscribers.
I need more subscribers. बढ़ाओ यार, 100 के तो कराओ फटाफट. देखो भाई साहब, मोबाइल कवर मंडी की शुरुआत हो चुकी है और अभी बस शुरुआत है. Covers. Maybe I can buy a good cover for my iPad also. Covers is a big business. Everyone wants to change. Wow. iPhone cover की इतनी वैरायटी फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहा हूँ यार मैं. I'm first time seeing the so much variety for iPhone covers. And they're cheap also.
They have so many times. If you ask them iPhone, they will show you.
Yes. But with the camera they will tell us more expensive.
You will get a
Good.
You will get a lot of girl fans at your YouTube now if you make this video because they like this,
No.
especially college students.
See.
Watch out.
This looks so good. Wow. It looks so good.
So cute.
So cute. क्या वैरायटी है भाई. चाइना वाले हर चीज बना देते हैं, हर चीज. You can make anything. So Stella, here also every store represent a factory.
Yeah.
They can be
It's a
sellers also.
supplier chain, you know.
They can supply
chain.
Yes.
Like some of factory they just make plastic material.
Plastic material.
And
Yes.
some of they just make module.
Yes.
Yeah, the whole supplier chain.
The supply chain. भाई साहब. Sorry. क्या है यहाँ पे, क्या क्या नहीं है.
And this sort of like cover, if you buy online, like Dodo, Pinduoduo, it's like 2 yuan,
2
3
yuan. Yes. This sort of
Like
simple covers, right?
20 rupees.
20 rupees. ये simple cover 20 रुपए मिल जाएंगे. But how they can support the delivery in 20 rupees?
Including delivery.
Yes.
fee
How?
included.
20 रुपए में delivery कैसे आ रही है? And see this cover.
This delivery is
This cover.
crazy.
This cover can be like. This cover can be like maybe 50 or 100 yuan in India.
50
Or 100 yuan in India.
Yuan.
This cover.
That's so
Not ruby.
crazy.
Not ruby.
No,
100
ruby.
rupees. 那个 In China it's like 9.9 yuan or
100 रुपए.
below 10.
100 rupees.
100 rupees below. Okay, this
Wow.
girl like this. Show
Girls
the
like
girlfriend.
this.
This.
Girl fans. जो भी लड़कियां देख रही हैं भैया. But this is not mobile cover. This is just
It's they just
mobile accessories like
yeah,
hanging.
mobile accessories.
But they have cool bags, cool covers also. Hi.
And this.
I want to see covers for girls. Like you remember that first shop we saw very cute covers.
Covers.
This is also cute covers, but that first shop had more cute covers.
You can search every single type of the cover
Cover.
around the world. here.
Yes, it all goes from here around the world.
It has so many style, European style,
Chanel, Gucci.
Chanel, Gucci style.
But how they can mention Chanel, Gucci? It's a company. How they are allowed to
Nobody
mention?
cares.
Nobody cares.
They just made
It's
because you know Chanel, Gucci, they manufacture factories here. They manufacture
yes,
in
yes.
Fujian.
What manufacturing? What?
Bags,
okay.
so many things. They don't manufacture themselves.
They don't manufacture. I know. Outsourcing. Cover. Le lo. Wow, this looks good, no? Yes, this looks good. It looks like luxury.
This is like 30 yuan, 300 rupees.
This purse. You can sell this. You know, you can sell this in India for 1,500, 2,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees very easily.
Let's start a cover shop. in
Yes,
India.
not cover shop. Maybe some, but in Russia also you can even sell it at 2,000 or 1,000 easily.
Why? Kill?
Because it looks very good, and it's iPhone. iPhone means expensive things. Wow,
This is so cute.
this is good. Yes,
I like cute this.
Crocs. I like this.
Boy,
Boys things.
boys like this.
Do you think people will buy this?
Yeah, some
naughty boys.
Yeah, naughty boys. Woo, woo.
Woo!
Oh.
Many girls.
It's always a good time.
You know, many girls who get impressed from this Korean industry, they buy these things.
Yeah.
BTS, Korea.
Wow.
Show me. Fight with your girlfriend. Stella, fight with your girlfriend. सही है. वाह, डिजाइन्स तो देखो. वाह भाई वाह. Crazy.
He looks not friendly.
He looks lazy.
Yes.
He looks like
So ugly.
Crazy frog.
crazy frog.
Yes.
No, lazy frog.
A lazy frog.
Stella.
Yeah?
Let's ask the price of this because
Okay, you want to buy one?
because in India you can sell this for 3,000 or 2,000. क्या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं ऐसे crazy covers का एक store खोले online? I can, we can open a store online for these covers.
Oh, you can also ask your fans to guess the price.
Okay.
Get the correct price?
Okay, इसका exact price जो बताएगा उसको मैं free देने वाला हूँ. घर पे delivery के साथ free.
Look at the slippers.
Oh,
Look
this
at
is
that.
mobile cover.
That's very cute.
Wow, let's keep
That's
this
very
back.
cute. 这个拖鞋啊
Let's keep this back.
You need to find something unique.
Yes,
Annette, you find something unique.
But
Like
wait-
this is very unique.
this is very unique and that is very unique. ये है भाई चीज तो.
That's very cute.
That's very unique. I want to buy the slippers.
It's not a slipper. It's all you can also
No.
put on your shoes.
Indian moms can also use to throw slippers.
Oh,
You know, Indian
Anna,
moms.
I heard that Indian girls they punish their
Boyfriends?
boyfriends like seriously. This is for boyfriend.
भारत की लड़कियों, Indian girls purchase this mobile cover to use in emergency. This is good actually. This is
哎，
good.
这个多少钱一个
Stella, it's not ending. It's not ending.
？It's not ending,
It's
endless.
not ending. Endless.
Yeah, so many.
And every shop is like unique. Have different type of covers.
Your girlfriends like this.
Girl fans.
Girlfriends.
I thought your girlfriends like this.
Don't add S.
Don't add it. Wow. This is for mobile phone? For mobile phone?
Yeah, I think.
怎么装啊？
मोबाइल फोन के लिए इतनी
Eh,
एक्सरसाइज
yeah.
स्टेला का कवर देखना ठीक है
Rich
बिजनेस
people
में
have this color.
rich people
the cover.
don't bother they don't care you don't need to show you are rich you don't need to show
For 3 years, 2 yuan.
yeah
Oh,
really
it's for free. It's for free.
तो भाई साहब आज का लास्ट वीडियो का पार्ट बचा है वो है एप्पल स्टोर मुझे देखना है कि यहाँ के एप्पल स्टोर में एप्पल प्रोडक्ट्स के प्राइसेस क्या होते हैं क्योंकि इंडिया में बहुत महंगा है और चाइना में बहुत सस्ता है कंपेरेटिवली लेट्स सी स्टेला लेट्स सी लेट्स गो एंड चेक द प्राइसेस
Sure.
I want to check iPad Pro. This is iPad Pro?
This is iPad Pro，
No, but this is like bigger iPad Pro.
这个也是吧？iPad Pro。
This is 12 inch, 13 inch.
嗯
This is big, right?
，Yes。
This is normal size.
bigger is
iPad Pro.
啊，
Stella. 6,700 and
22
99. It's like
6,800.
6722吧，对吧？
yeah,
68.
68.
699
हाउ मच इट विल बी इफ आई कन्वर्ट इन रुपी? ये है लगभग 78,000 रुपये का। अगर ऑनलाइन लोगे तो आपको ये लगभग 75,000 के आसपास में मिल जाएगा और डिस्काउंट लगने के साथ। और हमारे 92,000 का है। यू नो इट्स 92,000 इन इंडिया। दे डोंट हैव विजन प्रो।
Which Pro?
विजन प्रो।
Vision Pro. What is a Vision Pro?
विजन प्रो।
有些货没有展示的，
नो
这个 VR 也是。
Oh,
व्हाट दे डोंट हैव?
they have, but they don't have like to demo.
जस्ट बाय।
Yeah, if you buy it, they can.
Let's see 15. Where is the price list? They don't mention the price here.
这价格在哪呀？
And which model is this?
啊，9999啊，
Which model is this?
10,000 RMB.
Which model is this? 15 Pro.
Look at this.
But how much memory is this?
200.
No, wait.
240.
No, Max Pro. Yes. Memory. 9,000. Stella, it's a good price.
Good price?
Yes, it's like around in India 1 lakh rupees. You know 1 lakh 100,000
100,000.
rupee. Here and in India it's like 140,000. India's 40,000 more price. 1 लाख रुपए का है यहाँ पे 80,000 के आसपास हो गया इंडियन रुपए में। 14 Pro मिल रहा है 80,000 में। तो यार फ़र्क तो है, इनके यहाँ eSIM नहीं है। इंडिया में हमारे eSIM वर्जन, दुबई में भी eSIM वर्जन मिल जाता है। इवन इन दुबई यू कैन गेट eSIM वर्जन। सो ओके, तो आज की वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करेंगे। काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन हो गई। थैंक यू स्टेला फॉर गाइडिंग मी इन दिस वीडियो।
Pleasure.
Pleasure. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye bye.